Let's make a beautiful red, white, and blue arrangement together. When you're building an arrangement, it all starts with a good foundation. And this Ficus Leaf from TMI Gifts is one of my favorite pieces to use as a base. It adds fullness, creates beautiful layers, and gives you the perfect starting point before adding your florals. Next, we're going to add in this 24-inch dark green mini eucalyptus bush. This gives the arrangement even more texture and fills in those spaces while adding a natural, airy look. Here, we're going to tuck it throughout the arrangement so it blends everything together and creates a lot of depth. Now it's time to add the 32-inch royal blue Gladiolas bush. We're cutting the stems apart so we can place each bloom exactly where we want it. This adds beautiful height and a pop of bold color and starts creating the focal point of the arrangement. You can find each of these items at TMI Gifts. Now we start breaking down these cherry blossom bushes. They're 18 inches. These are delicate blooms that bring a vibrant pop of red and soften the arrangement with a little movement. We're tucking them in to help tie in all the colors together and make the design feel full but also balanced. Using a still pick machine can also help and make this a little easier if you have one. For this next part, we're leaving the 21.5-inch white ranunculus spray whole. Instead of cutting it apart, we're using it just as it is to start filling in the arrangement. The soft white blooms brighten the design and help create a full balanced look while keeping everything nice and natural. Let us know in the comments, would you break this stem down or do you like it using it as a whole? And while this may not be your typical choice for your everyday arrangement, but we loved adding a little unexpected sparkle. This 32-inch dark blue pine spray brings just the right amount of shimmer and texture, giving the design dimension without taking away from the florals. We really feel like this design is coming together and feels very festive. As you can see here, we're using that pick to lay down in between the florals so that it just pops right out in between them all. And to be a little more festive, we're going to add this 34-inch white glitter star berry pine spray. The white berries and the subtle hint of glitter catch the light beautifully and give the arrangement just the right touch of sparkle while keeping it elegant and full of texture. Now let's add some beautiful red hydrangeas to really fill out the arrangement. These large blooms add richness, fullness, and a gorgeous burst of color that helps bring the whole design together. Lastly, we're adding the 14-inch red, white, blue glitter curly pick. And we like to gently stretch out some of the curls to give the arrangement a little more movement and make it feel like it's even fuller. It's the perfect finishing touch and adds just the right amount of sparkle and festive look. And then that's going to be our finished look. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Is this arrangement something that you would try in your own home? We hope this gives you a little inspiration to create something beautiful in your own home. Every product you see is available at TMI Gifts. We'd love to see what you create, and happy decorating.